Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows compatibility and installing missing prerequisites. This prevents conflicts later. Once you confirm updates are current, remove any corrupted NET entries so installers run cleanly. Make sure to grab the offline installers for Net 3, 5, and 4. 0. Arkham Asylum relies on those. You'll run installers as administrator to allow proper registry and system file updates. After installation, reboot to ensure services initialize before continuing to game-specific fixes. Now you run the repair tool and system file checks to correct lingering corruption. These tools fix NET bindings and missing DLLs that block the game. Once done, use DISM to restore component store health so future NET installs behave predictably. Next, configure the Arkham executable for Windows XP SB3 compatibility and enable Run as administrator. This addresses legacy API expectations. Finally, apply any community patches or no CD fixes only after verifying. Finish by verifying the game's files. Repair or reinstall the game so it references the freshly repaired NET runtimes. Remove user-specific settings in app data to let the game rebuild clean configurations. This resolves corrupted save or INI issues. Make sure to test a short launch before changing graphics settings. If you still encounter crashes, open Event Viewer and capture the NET runtime exception details. That one key log entry guides the exact missing DLL or permission problem, so you can target the final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.